Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad meets the basics and the file is accessible. This gets you into action fast. Open Files or Mail, locate the PDF or image, and tap Share. Once done, choose Open and Preview to load the document. Make sure to grant permissions if prompted, because Preview needs access to your files. You're now in the app. Notice the toolbar across the top. This is where you will annotate, reorder, and export. Move on to editing. You'll perform the core edits here. Tap the markup icon to access the pen, highlighter, text box, and shapes. Use short strokes for precision and longer ones for fills. Once done, tap thumbnails to reorder pages with drag and drop or swipe to delete unwanted pages. Make sure to use Insert to add signatures or extra pages from files. This preserves quality. Also, crop or rotate images for layout consistency. These steps give you full control over content and appearance before you finish by exporting the edited document to the destination you need. Tap Share, pick Mail, Files, or your cloud app and select PDF or JPEG. Choose flattened copy for compatibility. Once done, verify the exported file opens correctly in the receiving app. If something goes wrong, make sure to force close preview and reopen the file. That clears a lot of transient glitches. If the file still misbehaves, reboot the iPad and retry the export. This resolves most stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.